Hey guys, wanna know how to sign into Krisp AI just by using Gmail? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step method on how to do so. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first up, go to your favorite browser and launch up Krisp AI. Now click on the first link right here, and this page should pop up. This is the official Krisp AI page. Now make sure you have your account created. If you don't, I have made a detailed video on how to create an account in Krisp AI. Make sure to watch it, it's right here. So now, to sign in, just simply click on this sign in button right here. And once you've done it, there are various options. That is Google, Microsoft, or your email. So since we are going for a Gmail account, click on continue with Google. Now after a while, this will open up a page where there are various Gmail accounts open. So click on the one that you have already signed up with. And once you've got that, you should be logged in easily, just like that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.